In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Welcome. Today I'll walk you through hosting a website on a Hostinger VPS server in a clear, step-by-step way that's easy to follow. Begin by opening the Hostinger website and logging into your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the H-Panel dashboard, which is the central interface for managing everything. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The dashboard gives you quick access to services, billing, and server controls. Next, look for the VPS option on the main dashboard. It's usually displayed prominently, so you should be able to spot it quickly. Clicking that will bring up the VPS section where you can view your existing servers or start a new one. This is the hub for managing your virtual private server resources. When you're ready to set up a new server, choose a configuration that aligns with your goals for hosting a website or building applications. Think about the expected traffic, the complexity of your site, and any software requirements. Select the amount of CPU, RAM, and storage that match your needs and consider server location for latency. If you're unsure, lean slightly higher on resources. It's easier to scale down later than to struggle with limits. After choosing your configuration, click the Get Now button to begin the initial configuration process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. The interface will guide you through selecting operating system options, setting up authentication, and confirming billing details. Pay attention to any choices about root access or SSH keys. Saving those details securely will make later management smoother. Once the setup is initiated, be patient while the server configures. The time it takes depends on the specs you selected. While you wait, gather the website files and any database backups you plan to upload. Having everything ready in advance speeds up deployment once the server is live. As the system finishes, verify that the server status indicates it's ready. At this point, your new VPS environment is prepared and you can proceed with uploading your website files, restoring databases, or connecting your site to the server through your preferred deployment method. That's it. You've completed the basic Hostinger VPS setup. Take a moment to review settings and backups so you're ready for future updates. Done.